Good morning. Welcome to my kitchen and to my channel. My name is Alina and I'm about to show you how to make a nice Russian breakfast dish that is loved both by kids and adults, and at the same time to make breakfast for myself because it's morning here. And this dish is called Syrniki. It can roughly be translated in English as curd cheese puffs. It's made of tvorog, which is one of the sorts of curd cheese. It's a good source of vitamins, protein, and calcium. So let's get started. We're going to need one package of tvorog. It is a type of curd cheese, also known as quark in English, Topfen in German, and turo in Hungarian, about 250 grams. One egg, 3 tablespoons of flour, sugar, 1 tablespoon or more, depending on how big a sweet tooth you have, and some vegetable oil to grease the pan. The flour amount depends on how wet the cheese is. Feel free to add more flour if you feel the dough needs it, or if you like your Syrniki dense. So make sure that you're using this kind of quark cheese. Not cottage cheese, not cream cheese, not ricotta cheese, but tvorog cheese. And it should be neither too wet nor too dry. It should have a relatively fine grain. Put it in a bowl and mash it a bit with a fork for it to become smooth. Break an egg, add sugar, flour, and mix it well with a spoon first and with your hand after. Mix ingredients well and shape a ball. Split the ball into 4 parts. Shape a smaller ball from each part and then press it from 2 sides so that you have a little nice cheese pack. I can never split the ball evenly, so I always end up having 3 smaller Syrniks and then a big one. Roll them in a bit of flour as well. Make sure they're not too thin and not too thick. Grease the pan with vegetable oil, 2-3 tablespoons will do, and heat it up. In Russia, we usually use refined sunflower oil for frying. Any other vegetable refined oil will do as well, such as canola or peanut oil. Don't use olive oil, please, for this. Then put Syrniki on the pan, reduce the heat to medium-low, and leave Syrniki for several minutes for the bottom to become brownish. Flip them delicately and brown the other side. I like to do it on low to medium heat so that the middle gets cooked as well, while the bottom is not burned. Change sides a couple more times just in case. Once done, put them on paper towel to get rid of excessive oil, and then serve. You have plenty of options for toppings: sour cream, sweet condensed milk, jam, syrup, yogurt, etc. My favorite topping is honey with plain yogurt. Okay, my yummy breakfast and coffee are waiting for me. And you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment below, give me thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Enjoy your meal, and from Russia with Food, Alina.